This is the Ruger AR-556 MPR, chambered in 450 Bushmaster. What sets this rifle apart is a high-strength superalloy bolt with a unique bolt lug geometry, making it the strongest, most reliable modern sporting rifle chambered in 450 today. This rifle features an 18 5/8" nitrided barrel for accuracy and velocity, and it's capped with a radial port muzzle brake to help tame the recoil of the cartridge. Of course, it's threaded 11/16/24, which is a standard thread pitch for suppressors for these big bore cartridges. We have a 15-inch free flow M-lock handguard that gives you a lot of adaptability and versatility, and it sits over our carbine length gas system that's the most reliable way to power a 450 Bushmaster AR. The upper and lower receivers are machined from Mil-Spec forgings, hard-coat anodized, and features an enlarged port for reliable ejection. Ruger's Elite 452 trigger gives you a sure, crisp trigger pull and is paired with Magpul's MOE grip and MOE SL buttstock. With a 5-round magazine, a cartridge that delivers twice the energy of 5.56 NATO, this becomes a perfect rifle for big whitetail, bear, pigs, and heavy steel. For more information about the Ruger AR-556 MPR, chambered in 450 Bushmaster, visit Ruger.com or your local firearms retailer.